Every year, on the 4th of July, Americans come together to celebrate their independence, a day filled with pride, history, and the unyielding spirit of freedom. Independence Day marks the culmination of a remarkable journey, where brave men and women fought for a new nation, a nation founded on the ideals of liberty and justice. From coast to coast, Americans of all backgrounds come together to celebrate. We unite as a nation, cherishing the freedom that binds us. The stars and stripes stand tall, a symbol of hope, unity, and the indomitable American spirit. For many, Independence Day holds a deeper meaning. It's a time to reflect on the sacrifices made by previous generations and express gratitude for the freedoms we enjoy today. As twilight sets in, the night sky bursts into a dazzling spectacle, illuminating the hearts and souls of all who witness this breathtaking celebration. On this day, we put aside our differences and come together as one nation, celebrating the beautiful mosaic that is America. U.S. Independence Day, a day to remember, to celebrate, and to honor the past, present, and future of this great nation. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video on such topic. Stay healthy, stay tuned.